surviving all of this weirdness. I think that's the best thing to describe it. It's just weird.
Stop stealing my words.
In the midst of this, Travis is luckily still able to get work done. We live where we work.
And there's no one around.
And he has what he needs. So he's still working, but in the meantime, we've decided that we have projects around here that we want to get done. So we are going to start a garden.
We'd always planned on doing one here. It was just, this felt like a perfect time to distract ourselves and distract the kids. And
I think a distraction. I think it's a huge, perfect distraction.
Yeah. We
mapped out an area. Now you just need to go get a rototiller and tear up the soil.
Start it up. Yep. So that's what we're going to be doing the next couple days.
Yeah. And luckily we're pretty much staying put. Travis is running out little things here and there, but not making contact with anybody. Social distancing.
Yep.
And we'll survive this. So we are going to do a garden.
Sweet.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was nice.
Really good one.
I'm going to try to do all of my tricks, okay?
Okay.
Don't you be a little high?
Nice. Nice.
Nice, bro. Go, Bridget, go. Hit my leg. No, hit me. Go, go, go. Go, go. I'm up to working today.
I said, hey babe, talk to me about the wood that you got. And he said, you want me to lay on it all sexy?
Look good on me, huh?
Totally. So we need to build some garden boxes.
Yep.
And how are we doing that?
I was so excited. I went to Lowe's and they always have all the warped wood and everything. So I checked it out and it was so cheap. It's 24 bucks for 5. I think these are like 14-foot 2x6s.
Yeah, those are really big.
Yeah. So I bought them. I was like,
25 bucks for 5? So $5 a piece.
That's crazy. And they're warped, but they're good enough for a garden box. That's no big deal.
Yeah.
So yeah, sweet.
Rad.
So my parents have had this old bike trailer for years now. I think we used it maybe with Trenton a few times, but Bryce got it out and attached it to his bicycle. So now he's towing around Trenton and River. I think he's falling down.
If I do this every day, I'm gonna have the world record of the biggest calves.
The biggest calves on an 11-year-old.
Remember that
Hi, guys.
video? The commercial I watched?
Yeah. So we try to go with organic stuff, but we didn't have much of a selection. So we'll start with this. We've got cantaloupe, green bell peppers, some Roma tomatoes, which are great for salsas, green bell pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, strawberries, watermelon, jalapenos, red bell pepper, some onion packs. It's a good start. Using some old posts from around the property.
Yeah, my dad thought they were probably something he had fenced up for our horses. You can see where they fit on the top of it.
Oh, that's crazy.
So that's awesome.
Got a topsoil.
Yeah, so good.
I love that you're using so many materials from just around the property.
They look cool. I know.
Yeah.
What are you gonna use for the post?
We're gonna have to use T-posts. We don't have enough, but T-posts
Is
are cool.
dinner ready?
What?
Is dinner ready?
Is dinner ready? Maybe. Did you cook it?
Did you?
Of course I did.
I think this
Then
is my first,
is
like,
it
bench.
done? What's for
Yes.
dinner?
Chicken Alfredo.
Oh, nice.
Oh, chicken alfredo. I've not never had that before.
Yeah, we've had it before. Good work, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, my buddy, my buddy. I'm just kidding.